Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This craft is a little bit different. Okay, so you guys know that I recently moved, and with moving, you decorate and things might change. The color of your decor might change from your last house. So, I have been wrecking my brain trying to come up with like ideas and things for my walls. Paintings, pictures, things like that. I've been trying to find things. When it dawned on me, I have all of these old pieces from my old place, and it just clicked. Like, I don't need to find anything new. I don't need to shop. I just need to change what I have. So I just want to let you guys know that if you have any wall pieces or old things like that, do not throw them away. You don't need to shop for more. We're just going to switch these out, and I got a bunch of different things that I'm going to do here, but I'm going to show you what I did, so stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so to start this craft, I went on ahead and went to Amazon and just put kitchen pictures in the search bar because I wasn't really sure on what I was looking for to put in my kitchen. And I just scrolled through the pictures until I found something that caught my eye. And this one I liked right away, so I went to it and I was like, okay. I looked at it just to get some ideas, and I was like, okay, well, you know what? Let me go on over here to Google. So I went to Google, and of course, I'm in Publisher. And what do you know it? These are I found the exact two images. So I'm going to be able to use the same exact ones that they had, except for you guys know my colors are red, black, and white. So what I'm going to do is go to Format, Recolor, and just change these to black and white filters. And then I'll probably put I don't know, a red border around it. Let me change the weight. Yeah, I'll probably put some red around it, just to, I don't know, put the red in there, I guess. But anywho, okay, so once I do that, I'm also going to add some words, and I'm going to print this out, and then I'm going to show you how I just pretty much stick it on. All right, I have my pictures here that I edited and cut out that I'm going to be adding on top of here to pretty much change it to fit my living room. All I'm doing is adding Mod Podge. I'm going to cover these. Y'all, I got this tiny little paintbrush. Anyways, I'm going to cover these with Mod Podge. Then I'm going to glue this down on top of it. And then after that, I'm also going to add a coat of Mod Podge on top of it to give it like a glossy, or should I laminate them? I'm going to run these through my laminator first. Yeah, I'm going to run these through my laminator, and then I'm going to glue them on. Okay. I'm also going to end up changing these pictures as well because, again, they do not match my decor. So, yes, I'm about to go find some pictures and change these up. Alright, so I'm back. I got everything done, and I want to show you how they turned out. These right here are the smaller ones. This is how they turned out. And of course, I went on ahead and ran these through my laminator machine. So that is how they turned out. You guys, I love them. And then my Dollar Tree pictures that I got, I just went and switched out the pictures to match and took some random quotes that I found off of Google. And the pictures that I did, y'all, I didn't realize that these were like two different size frames. So this one is just a little off, but you know what? That's fine. I don't mind it. But I just wanted to share this with you that if you have old things, old pictures, and artwork that don't match your current decor, do not throw them out. Don't think you got to get something new. All you got to do is make a label. Measure it out, make a label, and slap that new one right on up there, and you got some brand new artwork. And like I said, these right here, you guys saw that these were on Amazon. I'm not paying for that, and it was $20 for I think 4 of these. These are the exact pictures, except for I changed the pictures to black and white and just added the quotes on there. But I'm going to do a ton more pictures because I have a bunch. I'm just excited. But if you have any questions at all or would like for me to go into any further detail, please let me know, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!